Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you on how to crochet a basket with handles. I'm using a very thick yarn for this project. If you do not have thick yarn, you can always double or even triple with the yarns you have to make it stronger. The base for this basket is about 14.5 by 7 inches. You can follow the pattern and turn it into any size you want. The yarn I'm using is called Bungee Mini, and you'll need 4 of this. This is a number 7 jumbo size. As you can see, the yarn is quite thick, and the recommended hook size is a 10 to 12 millimeter, and I'm using a 10 millimeter. You'll also need a pair of scissors, and maybe yarn needle. It depends on the yarn that you use. Alright, let's get started. To begin the pattern, we are going to make a magic circle. Grab hold onto the tail, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this. Insert the hook under the first loop, pull through the working yarn, and twist. Yarn over, pull through the working yarn, through the loop, and voila! From here, 1 chain. To begin round 1, in the magic circle, place 10 half double crochet. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops, yarn over, and pull through 3 loops. That's 1. Again, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through 3 loops. Oops. That's 2. And we're making 10 half double crochet. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now that we have 10 half double crochet, pull the tail to close the circle. To begin round 2, slip stitch into the first stitch. And I always like to carry the tail with me. 1 chain. In the same stitch, place 2 half double crochet. One, and 1 more into the same stitch. 2. On this stitch, also place 2 half double crochet. 1, 2. Place 2 half double crochet. So the repeat for this round is to place 2 half double crochet in every stitch. By the end of the round, there will be 20 stitches. And I'll meet you on round 3. To begin round 3, slip stitch into the first stitch. 1 chain. In the same stitch, place 1 half double crochet. On the next stitch, increase. So place 2 half double crochet. 1, 2, 1 half double crochet, increase. The repeat for this round is half double crochet, then increase. By the end of the round, there will be 30 stitches, and I'll meet you on round 4. Round 4 of the pattern, slip stitch into the first stitch, 1 chain, half double crochet into 2 stitches, 1, 2, then increase. Place 2 half double crochet on this stitch, 1, 2, half double crochet into 2 stitches, then increase. By the end of this round, there will be 40 stitches, and I'll meet you on the next round. To begin round 5, slip stitch into the first stitch, 1 chain. On this round, place a half double crochet in 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3. Then increase. And this is the repeat. Half double crochet into 3 stitches, then increase. By the end of this round, there will be 50 stitches. You can stop making increase rounds at any time. This depends on the size you want. Each increase round is increasing by 10 stitches, and I'll have the total number of stitches on the screen, and I'll meet you on the next part of the pattern. I stopped increasing after round 9, with a total number of 90 stitches, and my base measures about 14.5 inches. The next part of the pattern is to build the wall for the basket. This is the right side, so this is the outside, and this is the inside of the basket. So after you join the round, on the first stitch, place a single crochet. Insert, pull through, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. On the next stitch, single crochet into the back loop. The back loop is the far away loop from us. A normal single crochet, single crochet into the back loop. Repeat this all around. By the end of the round, we still have the same number of stitches of 90, and I meet you on the next round. This round is a repeat round. After joining the round, on the same stitch, place a single crochet. But instead of placing in between the 2 loops like we normally do, we're going to insert the hook into this space in between the V, like this. And we're going to finish it just like a single crochet. The next stitch, single crochet into the back loop. Single crochet into the V space. single crochet into the back loop, single crochet into the V space, and this is the repeat. Alternate these 2 stitches all around. Repeat this round for as many times as you want. At first, it may look very flat, but it's okay. Just continue to repeat this round, and eventually it will build up. And you have to make sure they line up. And I'll meet you on the next part of the pattern to make the handles. Now my basket is about 6 inches tall, and I'm happy with the height. The next part is to make the handles. And I have already figured out the handles to be 9 stitches wide. You can make it wider if you like. After joining the round, I'm going to repeat the pattern by alternating single crochet in the V space and single crochet into the back loop for 18 stitches. On my 18th stitch is to single crochet into the back loop. But instead of single crochet into the back loop, I am also going to insert my hook into the loop next to the back loop. Just like that. Then 9 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this is going to be my handle. On the bottom here, I am also going to skip 9 stitches. I'm going to insert into this stitch into the back loop. But remember, I'm also going to insert into the loop that's next to the back loop. Continue to repeat the pattern by alternating the stitches for 36 stitches, and repeat to make the second handle. And work your way back to the beginning of the round. And I'll meet you on the next round. Now that the handles are made, but we have to make it more durable. After you join the round, and alternate the single crochet for 18 stitches, and I'll meet you where the handle is, right here. At the handle here, I'm going to place half double crochet around the chain, like this. It is not necessary to place 9 half double crochet. The idea is to cover the chain, so you can make more half double crochet stitches. And do the same on the other side of the handle. And I'll meet you at the end of the round. At the end of the round, after the last stitch, cut yarn and join the round by insert into the first stitch. You can use a needle for this one, but because my yarn is too thick, so I'm using my hook. Then insert into the back loop of the previous stitch. And this way will give you a nice finishing look. Lastly is to weave in the tail. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you liked today's project. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!